I'm Tom.
And we're doing the Noise Next Door's improv adventure.
Essentially what we've got is you guys on Twitter tweeting us in things to do with our day, and we're going to do them. Pretty simple. You ready, Matt?
I'm ready, Tom.
Cool.
Let's go. Okay, first one. Queen of the Berry says, climb a tree, go on swings, and play conkers. All right.
Wow. It's like Cliffhanger, but with a tree. Hug that tree.
I'm not...
Pretend it's a fat girl at a party and you want to stop her crying.
The branch breaks and they all fall down.
Don't be a pussy.
Oh, fuck. It's not even that high. Sorry. I'm in a tree! It's fine, Matt, it's fine.
The ground is my friend. That's good. Ooh, that was like Dirty Dancing.
Start looking for conkers. Queen of the Berry! This is us! Swinging! For you! Yes! And so the warriors found their conkers, and a great battle commenced to the death.
Hi guys, quick guide to how you do a conker and put it on the end of a piece of string. Take a nail, a hammer, a conker. Once you've got the nail out, get the end of a screwdriver and hammer that through. Try not to get anything like your thumb or cock in between the way of the hammer and the screwdriver. Take some string, I prefer good old-fashioned parcel twine, lay it over the hole, put the screwdriver in where the string is, and hammer once more. By this stage, the integrity and strength of the conker has been massively diminished. I'm using tongs as the example. String through a conker, tie a knot, and you're happy as Larry. Let's conker.
I am the conqueror! So this is from Zoe Fell, and she's saying you can pick one person to follow for 5 minutes. We figured it probably best not to be a child or a female, so we're going to stand outside the park, and the next person who comes out we're going to follow for 5 minutes.
Absolutely.
We've got Lucozade just in case they're really fast, and with any luck they'll go that direction because that's nearer where the car is.
Yeah, don't try this at home because it just wouldn't work.
No, everyone.
Let's go. So the problem is that the shop that we picked is filled with women and children because it's a girly little flower shop and they sell little ornaments and shit.
So let's go like to a butcher's.
A Bookies or something, yeah. We figured a strip club would be a really good idea.
But it's shut.
4 o'clock in the afternoon on a Sunday.
So, Sports Direct. I think that's their house and I don't really want to go in. I have to just be run over. Oh, 5 minutes, awesome, thank God for that.
Well, the next tweet we have is we've got from @Limbo1 and she says, try on dresses in a clothes shop. Fair enough.
Michaela has been taking us down to Vintage because we thought that would be the most appropriate, and then we're just going to try on the most stretchy ones we can find. I feel surprisingly comfortable.
Yeah.
Got a weird little boob.
You know, when I saw you, I thought that is the sort of thing I could spread over a cake and eat.
It's absolutely thrilling.
So this is from Graham Alexander, or at Graybo, follow him. He says swim across a significant river, like the Thames, the Severn, or the Tyne. We couldn't get anywhere near any of them, but we have got what's this one called?
The Ada.
The Ada River,
which tears Sussex in half with its magnitude and strength.
It's quite low tide, so swimming across it's going to be interesting. But we're going to try for you, Graham. It's really cold. That's my one bit of advice when you swim.
Yeah.
Be in water.
Oh!
Yeah, it's cold.
Try and close the end of your penis so you don't get any of those worms climb up into your bladder. Or
Don't say that, because now I'm just nervous about fucking dick worms.
When do we tell them this is one of the dirtiest rivers in the south?
Guys, just start pissing now. They won't. I won't film you. I'll just film the streams.
Yeah, do you reckon people will be a bit like, oh, they're disgusting?
Yeah.
Maybe. Should we do it anyway?
Just give a bit of scale.
We've been Matt and Tom, and thank you, boys and girls, for another awesome improv adventure.
Yeah, cheers. Thanks, Graham. Dick.